Service call. A little bit of water. Whoops, doing a service call. On a bad Pizio igniter. So 30-gallon ream, probably 2012, 13. So it rained last night. This is like fully 100% exposed. Let's see if we can get it lit. A little bit of water. Guess we could drill that out, but the igniter. Okay, we got pilot. Let's get that crappy drain valve on there. Usually I count to about 30 seconds with this because there's no flashing light to tell you when it's ready. So it takes about 30 seconds to reach 30 millivolts, about a millivolt a second. They say up to 2 minutes, but if it takes 2 minutes, you got a bad thermopile. Excuse me. I got that COVID cough. Let's see if it holds. Holding, on position. There you go. Alright, well, that was easy. Easy money. So, here, let me show you a quick video. I told them just to call SDG&E and they'll come out and light it for free, but oh no. Anyway, it was just the igniter. And why it went out, there's a little bit of water in here. I'll probably drain this. So, that's what it needs. I'm gonna go get my drill in here. Oh yeah, got some standing water. Hello? I don't know, lit right up for me, but I'm draining the water. You got a lot of water in the combustion chamber, so it gets into the ends. Yeah, oh yeah, they all light for me. Yeah, I changed your igniter because it was, yeah, and then I just held it, but it wasn't in the lighting position when I got here, so I don't know. It was in the on position. Uh-huh. No, yeah, no. No, it's on right now, and I'm drilling holes in the bottom, so if it rains again real hard, it won't choke it out like that. Yeah, you're welcome. All right. Merry Christmas, sir. Bye. Cut that on camera. starting to rain. It never rains in California. Garbage. Yeah. When in doubt, drill it out. Rip that insulation out too. Hope it gets some air. There we go. I don't need this rotted out mess anymore. Maybe up here. There we go. Now it can breathe. On this. Can't get any oxygen. Sure it's still going. We're going to build a shed for this water heater. Yeah, it's still going. So got the water out of it. Changed the igniter, right? Changed the Pizio igniter. That was problem number one, right? This thing's done. Drain the water out of the combustion chamber. You can just drill holes. And then ripped out this like soaking wet insulation. That's what's causing all this rust. Get this out of here. So you can get air down in there because it fills up with water and chokes it out because it draws air in through the vents on the side. So air goes in, goes down, comes up through the bottom, and then that feeds the flame for combustion. So if all this insulation gets wet, it's like a tampon, I guess, right? Just swells up, chokes it out. So I just removed that bad insulation on the bottom so now the air can get in and come up. Just enough to keep it running till it can dry out. Then if it rains again, it's got holes in here so it can drain. So it should keep going now in a storm. I think we're really expecting a lot of rain down here, but anyway, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hopefully it helps somebody out a little bit. Of course, it's helpful to have parts and experience to know how to do this, but yes, rain will choke out one of these Ream or Rude type water heaters, just because the way that it gets oxygen and all the insulation around it. So this one they could not relight because the igniter was bad, and then they had to get the water out. So they called me. Anyway, have a great day.